Hi everybody, my name is Varun Goel. I work as a senior fund manager at Mine Asset Investment Managers and I manage the Mere Asset Small Cap Fund. Today we are going to talk about the very exciting word of small caps. Well, I've been in the markets for almost 18 years and there are at least 4 to 5 small cap corrections of 20 to 30% that I have seen in the last 18 years. If we go a little back in history, I think 2015-16 was the one large correction in the small and the mid cap space, around 20 to 30%. Then we saw a big rally. 2018 to 2020 again was a 30% drawdown in the small cap space. And like I mentioned, FY19 to FY24, unprecedented earnings growth and followed by unprecedented wealth creation of around 27% on a CAGR basis. What we are seeing since September 24 till now is again another drawdown or correction, which is usual, which happens every 4 or 5 years. So we don't see that there's something which stands out or there's something which is very negative or something which changes the Indian growth profile in a very material manner. So we have already seen 20 to 23% correction in small cap space so far. Can we see another 10-15% correction? It is possible, especially because we have some overhang of tariffs that are being talked about and may be implemented by United States and different countries of the world. So the global environment has become a little more volatile. But our sense is with the Indian economic growth improving, we expect a very strong earnings recovery, especially for the small cap space in the next 2 years. And therefore, our outlook on small cap remains quite positive. Our view is that in the next 4 or 5 years, there is no reason why small caps cannot grow 4 to 5% faster than the large cap companies. And sooner or later, the market will reward that performance. So friends, be ready for a volatile ride in the Indian small cap space in the calendar year 25. As we all know, small caps have always been a roller coaster, but as we have seen in the past 20 years, they have delivered a very, very healthy rate of compounding. And our hope is it will continue to be the case going forward too. Thank you so much for listening. Thanks and goodbye.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.